To add a stock to your watchlist in Webull, start by logging into your Webull account on the mobile app or website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the market page where you can search for stocks by typing the stock symbol or company name in the search bar. Select the stock you want to add to your watchlist and click on it to view its details page. On the details page, you will see a star icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this star icon to add the stock to your watchlist. You can also add a stock to your watchlist from the search results page by clicking on the three dots next to the stock symbol and selecting the Add to Watchlist option. After adding a stock to your watchlist, you can view it by navigating to the watchlist page, where you can see real-time quotes and news for all the stocks on your list. You can also customize your watchlist by creating multiple lists and adding stocks to each list. To do this, go to the watchlist page and click on the New List option. Enter a name for your list and select the stocks you want to add to it. You can also rearrange the order of the stocks on your watchlist by clicking and dragging them to the desired position. By following these steps, you can easily add stocks to your watchlist in Webull and stay up to date with the latest market news and trends. Adding stocks to your watchlist allows you to monitor their performance and make informed investment decisions. It is a good practice to regularly review and update your watchlist to ensure it remains relevant to your investment goals and strategies. By doing so, you can maximize the benefits of using a watchlist and achieve your investment objectives.